Heyo, what will be the nature of your future spouse? Pick a card. One, two, three. Before knowing your results, please hit the subscribe button down below. Card 1. Your future spouse will be your mirror soul, exactly like you. You know yourself better, so you can understand. Card 2. They will be very sweet, romantic, and polite. They will prefer love over any other thing. Card 3. This person is action oriented. They will do anything practically for you instead of just talking. For detailed tarot readings, please visit my channel. Take care.